Hello students, JEE Advanced examination is coming and I am AB sir, and function is one of the most important chapter for JEE Advanced examination. So let us solve one concept sum, tricky sums on function, and this type of sums are regularly coming in entrance examination. Just see. In this case it has been given that two part of the function is there, okay, and f of x minus 1 is a simplified part, so we have to just cancel or eliminate this portion. So let us solve the sum. First I am writing 2 f of x minus 1 minus f of, just if I write this like this, 1 minus x by x equal to x. Suppose I am giving this number 1. Now I am replacing x by 1 by x. It means instead of x I am putting 1 by x. So we are getting here 2 f of 1 by x minus 1 minus, here it is 1 by x minus 1, instead of 1 by x हम लोग put कर रहा हूँ x. So this is coming f of x minus 1. So instead of x, 1 by x. If I just calculate this part if I calculate, if we just simplify, we are getting 2f of 1 minus x by x minus f of x minus 1 equal to 1 by x. I am giving it number 2. Just see everyone, here we have to eliminate this portion. So the coefficient of f of this part is 1 and this is 2. So we have to multiply here by 2. And if I add 1 and 2, that is 1 plus 2, if we perform, we are saying that this portion and this portion is getting cancelled. So this is 4 f of x minus 1 minus f of x minus 1. This is coming to be 3 f of x minus 1, and here it is x plus 1 by x. So in this case f of x minus 1 equal to 1/3 into x plus, no, it is coming here 2x, sorry, this is coming here 2x plus 1 by x. Just see one thing, but we need fx. What to do? Just replace. It means x minus 1 के जगह पर we have to put the value x. It means replace x minus 1 by x. It means x का जगह पे x plus 1. So instead of x, put x plus 1. This is coming fx equal to 1/3. Here it is 2x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1. So really lot of such tricky sums, concept sums for JEE Advanced examinations and JEE Main examinations, and in short videos I'll just upload, and everyone just subscribe my channel, and those who want to register for the JEE Advanced examination, just WhatsApp number given below, register. Okay.